Okay, so we made it to the open house. I got my signs up. We did the freeway trip. Just had one guy come so far. He's a solar man, so he met me over here. So we're in San Bernardino. This is a 5 bedroom, 3 bath, 3 full baths. We got a bedroom downstairs. The square footage 3,343. The lot is 8,020. Built in 2007. Price at the moment 724, 724,900. Okay, so it's part 2 of the other video. I couldn't really hold this thing while I'm driving. I'm gonna get me I guess call it a dashboard adapter. You're gonna know one of those stove top right on top of the cabinet like that. Right, you have the microwave, stainless steel, and that's beautiful. Got a lot of new stuff in here. This is like it's been redone. Or they just kept it up good. Maybe they just kept it up. Okay. Fireplace downstairs. Okay. I haven't been upstairs yet. So fireplace like it's never been used. It's been certified, I see. So use gas or wood. I like using wood because right now natural gas is too high. So I'm not doing it. Let me see if anybody outside before I go upstairs. Let me check that bedroom out. Let's see. Anybody here? Nope. Okay. So far, I've been here an hour. Only one visitor so far. That's okay. Let's check out this one bedroom downstairs. Oh, they got a little desk right here. It uses like a little office right next to your living room. And the kitchen area. It's a nice size kitchen area. Yep. Backyard. Okay, let's check out the backyard. Before we go to that room, let's go back here real quick. Nice size. It's better than one. Backyard is about 3,000 square feet larger than last week, which is cool. But so they have a balcony. We got dogs next door. No balcony. They got a pergola though. You have to hit them with the pergola. Yeah, we got some mean tack dogs next door. Oh, yeah, that's a nice size house. 5 bedroom, 3 bath, 3-car garage. We should. Oh, look at that, a little basketball court. You got the hook up for the dog. You put the dog right there, so the dog have his little area. Okay. And they have a central air. They also have a little window unit to save money on power. But they do have central air. They're going to have 2 units, one for downstairs and one for upstairs. That's good. So if you're not upstairs, you can save money. You don't need to have both of them on if you're not up there. Okay. Yeah. To continue, let's continue. Wait, let's check that window again. You have to run through the door. So I have to just look every now and then. This is a low traffic area. I got signs about a mile away, so if they don't come today, maybe they'll come tomorrow. Okay, bedroom, downstairs bedroom. Kind of small, but you could put a queen size in here. You know, dresser, nightstand, you know. This is like a guest bedroom. Or maybe rent it out and say make you a little money. Okay, here's a shower and the toilet behind the door there. I got it blocked off. That's one thing that tripped me out. I forgot to ask if the water was on. Well, if I have to use the restroom, I have to leave, go down the street right quick. Okay, this is the wash and dryer. There's no lights in this area, but washer and dryer. Put the dryer over there. Washer over here. Got a little sink. Put the rinse stuff out. Okay, this is the garage. 3-car garage. Put the light up. Yeah. 3-car garage. Oh, they got a water filter system. Is the water on? Maybe I could turn it on. I'll come back to it. I don't want to mess with it right now. You got little cabinets, some cabinets to put your stuff in. Keep your garage neat. That comes in handy. Oh, right here you put your tools. You're a guy that like to work on your own car, or you buy a lot of tools. There you go, right there. There you go. Hook it up, baby. And this, wait a minute. This left side, this single car garage needs a motor. It doesn't have a motor. So, what happened there? Okay. You have to negotiate a motor for the smaller door, smaller garage door. Let me turn the light off. Yes. First time I seen that. 2 doors, 1 motor. Somebody forgot something. Okay, so let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Got my water out, got my treats out. Check out this. This light is too low. I bumped into it already. What's going on with that? Let's see. Okay. Clear. We're clear. Go upstairs. Do your thing. Okay. Staircase with carpet on it. It's not nice as the one from last week, but it's cool. You can always change that. Take the carpet out. Okay, got a loft right here. Got the loft here. This is a bigger loft than last week. Oh yeah, they got some holes in the wall. Oh, they probably had a TV right there. Ain't that something? Okay. I had to spend some money on that. Okay. First bedroom, first bedroom upstairs. Yeah. About the same size as the one downstairs. So that's 2. Then little cabinet space for your towels or whatever. Then got the bathroom right here, those sinks. Yeah. Willie Gill Realtor 1 Group Trilogy, San Bernardino. Doing it again. This is Saturday. I'll be back at the same location tomorrow. Oh, this is a bigger room. Oh, this is a bigger one. This is number 3. It's bigger. Almost size as a master bedroom. But there's no bathroom in this one, so it's not master, it's just a bigger room. Like we have like extra large guest room. So we've got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This is 4 right here. This is 4. You're gonna need some more carpet and some paint for the walls. Whoever was living here probably been here since 2007. This closet is bigger than one downstairs. Okay, now this is the master bedroom, number 5. Oh yeah, it's about the same size as that third bedroom, but this one has a bathroom. Yeah, yeah. A little bit of a view. You just see your neighbors, but it's a neighborhood view. Here you go. You got these fire alarms chirping. They need to change the battery. Okay. Let's go on down here. Ooh, look at that. Brand new. It's like it's brand new. That's a nice one. Check that out. Got the shower, nice size shower. Two people could shower at the same time right there. That's the way, maybe 3. If that's the way you party. Yeah. We got another bathroom. Yeah. Better not drink any water. I think there's anything close. Oh, this is a walk-in closet with shelves already put in. Go over here. Oh, under. Let's see. Get a good view. Yeah. Oh, power's down 15%. Okay. What is it? Oh, yeah. Very interesting. So, there we have it. Another open house tour. Willie, your realtor. We're in San Bernardino. 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage. About 3,300 square feet for the interior, the lot or the outside area is 8,000. I think 8,080. Yeah, square footage outside. This is a nice house. So if you want to see this house or more houses, let's talk. We're gonna at the end right here. Willie, your realtor, open house on Saturday, and we got some people coming. Oh, I gotta go. Later.